create this beautiful brunch platter of French crepes and smoked salmon with my dill French crepes recipe. For the batter, combine the flour, salt, and sugar, and whisk the dry ingredients together. Then in the center of the bowl, crack in your eggs and add in half a cup of the milk. Set the rest of the milk aside for now and add in the freshly chopped dill. Whisk together the eggs and the milk in the center of the bowl, and once those ingredients have come together, start bringing in the flour. Whisk the first part of the batter vigorously until nice and smooth. Scrape down the sides, and then whisk in the rest of the milk slowly. Whisk in the melted butter, and then place the batter in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Once the batter has cooled down, preheat your crepe pan to medium-high and very lightly brush with some melted butter. Pour a third of a cup of the crepe batter in the bottom of the pan and swirl your pan around to make sure that the bottom of the pan is completely covered with the batter. Let it cook for 30 seconds to 45 seconds until the edges start to crisp up and release from the sides of the pan. Very carefully and gently flip the crepe over, let it cook for another 15 to 20 seconds, and then remove from the pan and place on a plate. Once slightly cooled, you can fold them in quarters and you're ready to serve them for your next brunch. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.